Hey guys, welcome back to our class YouTube channel. My name is Aqilah and today I'll be doing an unboxing video. As you can tell, I bought some few things. There are quite a lot of things here from Shopee. Mostly are stationery and organization. So I'll be sharing and unboxing with you guys because even I forget what I bought. So yes, let's start. So the first one, I'll be unboxing the smallest package. First thing is I got myself a highlighter. If you guys know, these are quite the famous highlighter. It's called the Mildliner. It makes from Japan, and this is my favorite highlighter to use. They have wide choice of colors that you can pick yourself, and even though it's on the pricier side, but still it's really good highlighter. Why did I bought this? Because before I already bought three of the package, but I use this one the most, and the ink of the highlighter is already like worn out. So I decided to buy a new one because we are going back to school this April. We are going back to school this April, so it's good to have extra with you. So we're gonna open this one next. So the next thing I bought is a bookmark sticker. I really love the colors. It comes in varieties of colors where you can choose from. But this one caught my attention. I got these on a pretty good deal, under 10 or 5 ringgit, which is amazing. And then why did I buy these? Because I really want to use them at school for bookmarking my textbooks or books that I read. So this will definitely come in handy. Definitely gonna use this a lot. So I bought two of these. And yes, I'm gonna open this one next. So the next thing I got myself is a pencil holder. As you can see, it is made out of plastic PVC, but it's quite sturdy. I bought these so I can store my pencils and pens and put it on my desk in the dorm. Yes, this costs really affordable, less than 10 ringgit. I will also put it here and link in the description. So we're gonna open the next package. The next item is an LED light table lamp. Okay, let's open this. Oh, how cute! It's so small. Yo, wow, this is so cool. This is the table lamp. I was planning on bringing this to my dorm as well. And it has this clip at the bottom, if you can see, like that. The switch here. My bad, that is actually a on and off button. Right here. And you have this adjustable lamp position, like that. They offer you different types of lamps. There are like oval shapes, the ones like the ring light one that they don't have the middle one, and also this circular one. So I decided to buy these ones because it looks really nice. Have a rechargeable battery, so that's why they give you the wire for the charging also. For a lamp like this, I would say it's quite affordable, around 20 something. You can see I bought these from Shopee too. I was planning on putting this on my desk at the dorm for sure. I bought these so I can do my work at night. Next is this one. We're going to the big packages now. The next item that I bought is desk organizer, if I'm not mistaken, and it goes under your desk or counter, you can see. So I was planning to bring this to my dorm as well to reorganize my space. Because I bought these is to put my books and other things here. The price of these, if I'm not mistaken, are under 10 ringgit. So affordable, a good deal. The last one. Okay, so this is how it looks like. You need to like assemble this. This is a storage box. I got this around under 10 ringgit, if I'm not mistaken. I bought these because I was planning on putting my books in here, so it will be more organized and everything is just in one place, so it's easier for me to I'm gonna try to assemble these and I'm gonna show you guys the product. So that's all for the haul and the unboxing. I definitely recommend this to all of you, especially students out there. The items that I bought are very affordable for student price, and all of them I got it from a local seller, so it offers you free shippings, and also the shipping is super duper fast, so it's less than a week, which is good. I will link everything that I bought for today in the description down below, so don't forget to check it out. Bye!